Aïe, 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 aïe. Elle habite dans ma ville. Quand elle me croise, elle me vesquille. Sans quand je la vois dans mon petit monde, c'est ma voisine. Je connais ses frères et mes garçons, mes plus grands moi. Quand elle me voit, un petit sourire, elle envoie. Elle habite dans ma ville. Quand elle me croise, elle me...
Hey guys, welcome to the final episode of my lace frontal series. Finally, this is coming to an end. If you're just dropping by for the first time, this is not one video, you guys. It's not two. It has episode 1 where I showed you guys how to dye your hair to this beautiful ash blonde color that is so beautiful, you guys. Like, it's so beautiful. In episode 2, I showed you guys how to customize your frontal to make it look natural and snatched. In episode 3, I showed you guys how to make a wig, like, so easy. Like, all my tricks are so easy, you guys. So make sure you go watch all of these videos, okay? And without wasting much of your time, we're gonna start with episode 4, how to install your hair. So like I said in my previous episodes, I'm using hair from Ali Pearl hair in 16, 18, and 20 inches. And I already made the hair into a wig, as you can see. So make sure you go watch all of my videos, okay? And this is how the hair is looking because I haven't curled or straightened the hair. You know, it's really rough right now, but don't worry. We're gonna put it together. So now to straighten the hair, I put my hair in the mannequin head and I'm going to use my heat protector just to prevent any kind of damage on my hair while straightening it. And why I'm using the mannequin head is because this is the first time I'm actually using the wig after like coloring the hair and making it into a wig. So it's like really rough. It actually needs to be pampered like a lot. So that's why I'm actually going to use the mannequin head. And I'm going to like straighten this hair section by section. I'm actually going to take my time because I really want it like silky and smooth. And I probably don't have to straighten my hair like this again. So it's just going to be like this once, and from now on, I'll just be straightening on my head. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but yeah. So I'm going to do it section by section. I'm going to take my time because I want it to be like really slick and smooth and, you know, like really good, okay? So take your time. Do not rush this process. If you know you're actually going to rush this process, do not do this, okay? Because you actually want to take your time. Like take it section by section. Comb it out and straighten it, and you want your hair to come out as silky and as beautiful as this. Like, look at this hair, okay? So yeah, I'm just taking my time, going to another section, doing it small, no rush. Like, don't even rush this hair. You can actually do something else. For me, I think I was actually watching a movie or something because the time was just like too long, so I actually had to watch a movie. So just the main point is that you should take your time while straightening your hair. You don't have to rush it. If not, it's not going to come out straightened at all. It's going to come out like you're actually playing. So just take your time. So once we're done, the hair should be looking like this. Your hair should be looking like this rather. So silky and smooth. Yeah. So now to install this hair, yeah, it is so soft, you guys. Trust me, it's so soft. So I'm going to put on the wig right now. Oh, just get that off my face and just push my wig to the front. And that elastic band I attached on the wig actually makes it really easy for me. So if I don't want to make baby hairs or use the cut to be glue gel, it's actually really fine. So yeah, okay. So yeah, now to install the hair, I'm going to be using my got to be glue gel. Push the wig to the back and apply the gel around the perimeter of my hair just before my actual hairline. I don't like applying the gel on my hairline because my hairline is actually really tiny. So I'm going to blow dry this hair, and once it's tacky enough, I'm going to move the hair to the glue gel. Yeah. It looks so natural, you guys. So I'm going to be using my comb to press the wig on my head, you know, to really make it look invincible. So I'm using my clips to just clip my hair to the back so I can have enough space to work on my baby hairs and my hairline. So I'm adding more gel to the front part of my hair because the gel was not enough. So I'm going to add more gel and press it down with the comb. I'm actually going to use my blow dryer and just dry the hair at once because I don't want to tie down this hair because I was actually rushing. Yeah. So yeah, just make sure the hair is dry and secured. So now moving to my baby hairs, I'm going to take a little bit of the hair. I'm going to be using my edge control. I don't use my got2b glue gel on my baby hairs because it doesn't look really natural to me. So I always use my edge control. Any kind of edge control you have, just use it. Okay, take a little bit of the hair from the front and trim it, and just, you know, kind of do your thing, you know, make it really wavy, you know, do your own thing. And one thing I'm going to tell you about this hair is that do not apply your makeup before installing your wig because it's just going to come out a disaster. Okay, so do your hair before your makeup basically. So next, for my sideburns, I'm going to take a piece of the hair from the side, cut it with my razor, and that's my sideburns. Yeah. So my part is not looking straight enough. That's why I'm just like kind of straightening it out. I'm going to be using my brown powder just to kind of define my part to make it more natural. Yeah.
Shine bright like a diamond. 1, 2, 3. Shine bright like a...
And voila, we are done. This hair is beautiful, you guys. I'm sure you guys saw my pictures on Instagram. It is beautiful. So next, I'm going to use my freeze ease, just kind of like makes the hair silky and reduces the flyaways and all that. It makes it really soft, you guys. Okay, and I'm also going to be using my wig shine spray. This spray is so good, you guys. Like, it makes my hair really soft and beautiful and silky. And this is how the hair is looking after doing my makeup and, you know, snatched. Beautiful. So to curl my hair, you guys, I'm going to be using my curling wand. Personally, for me, I would prefer to wear this hair straightened than curled. I don't know why, but I just prefer to wear it straightened than curled. But for the sake of this video, I'll be showing you guys how to curl your hair, you know, in case you want to curl your hair. So you just need a curling band, your heat protector, and a comb. That's it, and clips. That's it. Ooh. So for this style, I'll be wearing loose curls because, you know, it's better to wear loose curls. So you actually need a bigger curling wand for loose curls. So you want to curl the hair outwards at the back. Oh, rather, you want to curl the hair inwards at the back because you want the curls to be like flowy at the back. But for the front, you're gonna curl the hair outwards. I'm gonna show you what I mean, okay? But in the meantime, just take your time while curling the hair. You want to curl the hair section by section. You don't want to rush this process. Like, the key to this look, either straightening your hair or curling your hair, is just taking your time. If you try to rush it, like take big portions, trust me, it's not gonna come out beautiful, okay? So just take your time while you're doing this. So for the front part, like I said, you want to curl the hair outwards. You see the way I'm curling it out from my face? That's how you're actually going to curl the hair, because you want the curls to be kind of wavy in front, you know, to have that, I don't know how to call it, but you're going to see what I mean. So once you're done, just comb the hair with a wide tooth comb, you know, so the curls can actually show. Okay. Yeah, so look at what I mean by like curling the hair outwards at the front. Look how wavy it is in the front. So yeah, this is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.